Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Mehraf Shahariar Dipto from English Center Bangladesh. Today I'm going to read a novel. The name of the novel is The Famous Five. So let's get started. Chapter 1, A Great Surprise. Mom, have you decided about our summer holidays yet? Said Julian at the breakfast table. Can we go to Pulsit as usual? I'm afraid not, said his mother. They are filled up this year. The three children at the breakfast table looked at one another in great disappointment. They left the house at Pulsit and the beach was perfect for swimming. Cheer up, said Dad. We will find somewhere else just as good for you. But Mom and I won't be going with you this year. Did Mom tell you? No, said Anne in surprise. But you always come with us on our holidays. Well, this time Dad and I have planned to go to Scotland, said Mom, just the two of us. You are all old enough to look after yourselves now, and we thought you would love to chance to have a holiday on your own. But now that you can't go to Pulsit, I didn't really know where to send you. What about Quentin? Said Dad suddenly. Quentin was his brother, the children's uncle. They had only seen him once and had found him a bit scary. He was a very tall, frowning man, a clever scientist who spent all his time studying. He lived by the sea, but that was pretty much all that the children knew about him. Quentin, said Mom. What made you think of him? I shouldn't think he would want the children messing about in his little house. Well, said Dad, I bumped into Quentin's wife in town the other day, and I don't think things are going too well for them. Fanny said that she's thinking of getting a lodger for a while to bring a bit of money in. Their house is by the sea, you know. It might be just the thing for the children. Fanny's view nice. She would like after them. Yes, and she has a child of her own too, said Mom. What's her name? Something unusual. Yes, Georgina. How old would she be? About 11, I should think. Same age as me, said Dick. It's strange to think we have got a cousin who we have never met. She must get lonely all by herself. I've got Julian and Anne to play with, but Georgina is just one on her own. I bet she'd be glad to see us. Well, your Aunt Fanny said Georgina would love a bit of company, said Dad. I really think that would solve the problem if we rang Fanny and arrange for the children to go there. It would help Fanny, I'm sure, and Georgina would love to have someone to play with in the holidays, and we would know that our three were safe. The children began to feel excited. It would be fun to go to a place they had never visited before and stay with an unknown cousin. That was all for today. Thank you all for listening me cordially. Allah bless everyone.